Hi, this is Catherine from the Nedder group in Greenwich, Connecticut, and I wanted to talk today a little bit about how best to present your house for sale. I get this question all the time. Catherine, how do I make my house sing? How do I present it in its best light for a buyer who's coming in and taking a look at it to purchase? And I have a few tips on my list. The first is declutter. Go through your house room by room, take out all those small accessories and personal items, things you may have collected over time, family photographs, personal portraits, put them in a box, put them away, and imagine that the buyer is coming into your house and wanting to think of themselves living there. And keep it clean, keep it nice and simple, put all those things away. Talking of clean, definitely important to have your house sparkling. Go through, clean all the mirrors, anything glass, doors, windows, wash down the light switches, door handles, things you may not have thought about or touched for a while. Make sure they're all sparkling clean. Get rid of the dust bunnies. And don't forget, let the natural light in. Open all your blinds, shades, curtains, all the way. Natural light is everything, and light and bright, that's what we want to see when we're going into a home for the first time. Sometimes your home may have a bright paint color on the wall. If you can, paint over them with a neutral color. It will add even more light and make the room feel more spacious. If you can't paint the walls, just do the door frames or the trim, whatever you can do. That will give it a new, fresh, clean look, and that definitely helps. Inside the closets, buyers are going to open the doors, go into your pantry, straighten everything up. In your closets, in your bedrooms or your guest bedrooms, take anything that you don't need, you're not using, take it, give it away, donate it to charity, or put it away in a box somewhere else so that there's space in the closet. Any open shelving or half an open shelf even will create the feeling of space, and people are always looking for extra storage when they're looking to purchase a house. So don't forget to do that. And also, any repairs you have in the house, identify what they are, make a list. Any small things, if you can tackle them yourself, great, or have somebody come and fix them, do as much as you possibly can. Super helpful. Then lastly, if you go to the outside of your house, curb appeal, very important. First impression for a buyer. Sometimes you'll see an agent opening the door of a house. They have to open a box sometimes. It takes a few minutes. The buyer is standing there and they're looking around. They're going to see everything while they're waiting. So sweep away the leaves, sweep your porch, your driveway, walkway, and any cobwebs around light fixtures, around the front door. Just use a brush and get rid of them, and that will be a really, really nice first impression when someone comes to see your house. And that's it for me today. Next time I'm going to talk more about styling, aesthetics, and things you can do with furniture in your house to make it more appealing. And I will see you soon. Bye.